Hi guys, we're doing quiz 1.07 and this is example 4. What is the smallest angle of rotational symmetry that maps a regular heptagon onto itself? So you would have to know first of all that a heptagon and a regular heptagon is a polygon with 7 equal sides. Regular says they're equal, hept says there's 7 of those. So to find the smallest angle of rotational symmetry, we take the total number of degrees in a circle, which is 360 degrees, and we divide by the number of sides, which is 7, and that gives us we're going to approximately, and we'll round to the nearest tenth, 51.43 degrees, approximately. And that's example 4.